These are the doughs made by the bread maker. They are ready to go into the ovens, or in this case it will go into the steamer. Not every household equipped with a hot dry oven. Steamer would do the same things. Some of us probably do not often try the steamer, but it's much softer. The temperature is of course by the steam that rise over 100 degrees comfortably. This dough left in the incubator overnight, so I do not have to worry about before I go to bed, and I'll rise up the next day and it's ready to rise beautifully in this case. And they are ready to be rolled into different shapes, and some hot water at the bottom, so it will keep them warm in the winter. And the lid is modified, so the internal pressure is different. In this simple modifications, the temperature could rise higher than it normally should. So it's a choice and simple steps that someone can make to make life easier. If you want temperature, the original bread maker, it does not need the experts to figure it out. It's plastic, and it got even more plastic inside. There is a whole band of plastic ring. It should be metal. So during the heating process, you would have a lot of plastic, and it will last the case, but it will not last very long before it breaks down. And this is why this hole is made. But it's too late, because the some probably is I brought it online. That's why the warranty has problems. I have to ship it back. The shipment cost will be nearly half the cost of 65, and it is pointless. So by hand you would hardly produce a dough like this, a dough like this, and it's much easier to do it by machines. And very well, morning fresh bread.